What's up everyone, Ross from Moon Audio here with another special unboxing. This is the new Clara IEMs from Campfire Audio. Let's check it out. So this is a collaboration between Campfire and Alessandro Cortini. So let's see how we get in here. Is this a... Here we go. All right. Wow, cool little pelican case in here. Kind of style box. Let's see. Wow. Set this off to the side while we go through here. All right. So inside the plastic case, we've got this nice leather case with the Campfire Audio printed on there. Very cool. Seems to be held together with magnets. So that's awesome. Okay. So inside we've got maybe a few cables and some IEMs. Let's see. So it looks like we have our stock 3.5 here. Let's see what that connector looks like. Nice. And what's in here? All right. There's one. Oh, wow. That's a pretty cool finish. Kind of clearish blue teal almost. Very cool. Looks like it comes already with some ear tips installed. Very cool. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here's another kind of small mesh pouch. Looks like we got another cable in here. This might be the portable hi-fi DAC that is included. Get to that in a second. See what else is in here. So we got another cable. And this is the 4.4. Set that off to the side. Go through a couple other things in the box here. Let's see what this is. Looks like we've got more ear tips in here. Those look like the foam ones. And then in our other bags, we've got some maybe silicone, and then in the other one we've got a nice little cleaning kit. And they even include this cool little lapel. That's a neat addition that you don't see very often. Pretty cool. A few other things in the box. See, we got another cleaning cloth. Those seem to be in most Campfire IEMs included in the box. And here's some more ear tips. So these are the Type E Final E ear tips. Nice. Lots of ear tip options. Oh, and here we have the pilot DAC instructions. So back to this. Looks like this is instructions for the dongle DAC that's included with this version of the Clara. Pretty cool. Let's see, we got a little more information on the box here. So we've got the frequency response, SPL, impedance, all written there. Pretty cool. And then a little more on how to take care of your IEMs in the box there too. Pretty cool. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about what makes these IEMs special. So it's got a hybrid driver design. We've got a dual magnet dynamic driver with a bio-cellulose diaphragm for low frequencies. Then we've got the dual diaphragm balanced armature with clear wave tuning chamber for the mids. And then 2 high frequency super tweeters with TAEC tuned acoustic expansion chambers for the highs. So this is designed for both professional monitoring and everyday listening, and it's got a balanced sound signature with a punchy bass response. So based on that sound signature provided by Campfire Audio, we will probably recommend our Silver Dragon IEM cable with the Clara IEMs. So just to see what this color combination looks like, let's see what they look like together. So we're going to get our little removal tool here to easily disconnect these MMCX connectors. Makes it super easy. You don't have to worry about damaging the connectors with this little tool that we provide with every MMCX cable we sell. All right. So here's our Silver Dragon. Let's check it out. So this version right here, we've got the 4.4 on it. You can also get it with the 3.5. Already liking this color combination quite a bit. So let's connect the right IEM with our Silver Dragon. There we go. And the left. There we go. Nice click. So here's a closer up view of that really cool color combination, our Silver Dragon IEM cable with the Campfire Audio Clara IEMs. Really cool finish on these IEMs. It's almost translucent, but with a really cool blue and purple. I can even see some teal undertones in there. Really neat design. And I believe there'll actually be another finish of the Clara coming out as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unboxings just like this. We're going to be getting these Clara IEMs to our customer service team as soon as possible so they can answer all your questions on these awesome new IEMs. Make sure you drop any questions you have in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer them. Thanks so much for watching.